something. And the light's on.
All right, Skip. It is National Scavenger Hunt Day.
Okay.
And we put together a little something, producer Andrew and myself.
Okay.
And we're going to take you for a ride.
A ride.
Or at least a fun game.
Okay.
We're starting it off, right? You ready for this?
Yes.
Clue number 1.
In honor of National Scavenger Hunt Day, this is a game we just had to play. Follow the smell. When Zanetta gets sick, look to your right, take your pick.
Okay.
So I need to... Okay, all right. In honor of National Scavenger Hunt Day, this is a game we just had to play. Follow the smell. When Zanetta gets sick, look to your right, take your pick.
What? There's something calling me out on there?
Follow that smell when she gets sick. Where's that lead to? Sorry, Nat.
Whatever. No words.
Hopefully no one's in there.
Oh. Follow the smell. When Zanetta, look to your right, take your pick. What? I'm in the wrong... Oh, it may be in here. So...
Take your pick. There are numbers.
Oh! There are numbers. So we take number 4.
No.
Huh?
No.
No? All right, 4. No. Why did you say there are numbers? So I'm going
to help you with this one.
Okay, please do.
What's that thing sticking out right in the middle there?
Oh, right here. Oh, so there's a little something going on here. Oh, okay. Let's play ball. Get on board. Take a walk to the place you record.
You don't even know how long we spent on this.
There's no doubt you spent most of your morning on
I gotta tell you,
Let's
people
play
doing that
ball,
medallion is
get
tough.
On board, take a walk to the place you record. Hi, Zanetta. Okay. This is where we record.
Do we?
Well, we do.
He's
Or,
second guessing.
aha, it's the studio with the light on because nobody's in there.
Oh, God.
Okay, so this is where we record. I am in the take a walk to the place you record. I am at the place that I record.
Now, let's not forget. Let's play ball. Get on board. What's that mean?
Play ball. Get on board. There's a Syracuse Chiefs schedule. And I open the schedule and nothing. Get on board. We play. There's a board.
Hmm?
Get. Let's play ball. Get on board. Take a walk to the place you record. I am in the place I record. I hope this pays off for me.
I hope it pays off for us, because this was a lot of time.
Yeah, well, it's not working too well. Okay, so I am here where I record. Seriously, this is where I record. Ball, play ball. Ball. All right, Jason. Nothing in his crotch. This is a ball. This is a hat.
Mm.
Oh, look at that was good.
Clever, right?
Yes. Pump those beats, dance all around, move those feet, and look on the ground.
What's that first part?
Pump those beats. Pump those beats. Pump those beats. So the beats. And look all around. And now I see this on the ground.
Yes.
Yes! You call it fresh air when it's really secondhand. But just look to where he stands.
It's a freaking Easter egg hunt.
It's awesome.
We love when we see food like donuts, muffins, and tarts. But the best tasting kind are those that are baked from the heart.
This one's a toughie.
We love when we see food like donuts, muffins, and tarts. But the best tasting kind are those baked from the heart.
This one's a good one.
Is this a call a friend? This is tough.
This sounds like, well, if he's allowed to call a friend.
What's it sound like?
Sounds like the Bobos. You think Bobos? I do.
I don't know, but nobody likes the Bobos.
Yeah, but they were made with love. And yeah, a lot of people like them. I don't think there's any baked goods in there right now.
Okay, I'm gonna
We
take
can
this
check
as a
the
phone a
Bobos.
friend.
I mean, oh well, if I'm wrong.
So we got to go to the Bobos.
It's not outside. We're making
So
moves.
the Bobos
If I'm right.
are here.
Yo! Boom! Good thing you got to call a friend.
You call out her name and ask her a question. Okay, she's up front. That's.
It says baked from the heart on the box.
I know. That's where we got it.
I had no idea.
Okay, I'm
'cause
sorry.
not a
I didn't
Bobo
mean to
fan.
interrupt.
You call out her name. You ask her a question. Okay, she's up front. That's our confession.
Our confession. Andrew.
All right, so that would be Zanetta. She's up front.
Do I have it on my back?
Nothing in your bra strap.
Okay, say it again.
Okay, you call out her name. You ask her a question. Okay, she's up front. That's our confession.
Do you know?
I feel weird.
Carol?
She's not here.
No. Zanetta.
Yeah.
You call out her name. You ask her a question. Okay, she's up front. That's our confession.
What? I'm really confused.
This is
Do we have
a
a
tough
confession
one.
box? Like a confession.
Call out her name.
Should we
you
go to a
ask her
church?
A question. She's up front, and that's our confession. Alexa. Alexa is gone. Alexa.
Sorry, I don't know that one.
Alexa. Where are you?
I am right here.
Okay.
You got it!
That's it?
You don't even know how long that took us.
It took us
There was no
forever.
prize?
That is a prize. Alexa.
He already owns it.
Exactly.
Thanks, I found Alexa.
Could have put a Bobo on top of it or something.
This was
Nobody
better.
likes the Bobos.
That
This
is
was
fun.
great.
Thank you.
This was
fun.
great.
Happy National Scavenger Hunt Day, Skip.
Thank you, even though it took
Next
forever.
time,
Thanks,
You set
Andrew.
all the memory on your phone.
Thanks,
It was great.
Andrew.